Hello my friend. If you remember, last time we took a look at the big 55-inch Philips Momentum 55.8 M1RY gaming monitor. Today, thanks to Philips, we have the opportunity to take a look at his younger brother, 278 M1R gaming monitor. In this video, the Techscrew team will show you a quick unboxing, setup, and of course our personal review of this Philips gaming display. To get this monitor out of the box more successfully, you may need some help. Ask your grandpa. He's always happy when someone asks him to get up from his comfortable chair and help out. So what exactly comes with it? DisplayPort cable, HDMI cable, and power cable with the power adapter itself. Nowadays most monitors no longer have the power supply in the monitor itself, because they're too thick, and it's easier to just throw them on the floor. Then there's this classic matte grey display leg with the Momentum Monitor series written in the left corner. I already like it. The leg is made of the solid metal and has rubber pad. And here's the other vertical part of the stand. This part is also solid and has cable management clip to keep everything sorted out and aesthetically pleasing. These two parts are so easy to put together that even your granny could do it. Just put the two parts together and screw in the screw. The best thing is that the screw has a handle, and you don't have to look for a screwdriver that you won't most likely have because you're a true gamer. Screw it in and fold in the handle. And here's how it looks when both parts are together. Very bigus. Now the risky part. Find where leg goes into the monitor and push both leg pins into the designed places. A little push down on the leg and after the click, leg is in the place. This feels and looks unsafe, but trust me, it's okay. Lift the monitor by the display stand and very carefully put it on the table. And victory is yours. Monitor gets to live another day. At least I hope so. It feels so good to remove that protective film. Take another look at the main display features and rip off the sticker. You're not a shover, you have to keep one. Listen to that nice sound. What sets this monitor apart from the competition is that it has built-in LED lights around the monitor, which Philips calls Ambiglow. As with most Philips monitors, the menu is controlled using a joystick located on the back of the monitor in the bottom right corner. This Philips Momentum has two HDMI 2.0 inputs, one DisplayPort, headphone out, USB-B upstream. Unfortunately, such cable is not included and you'll have to buy one yourself. And also, there are 4 USB 3.2 outputs, 2 of which are fast charge supported, which is very cool. I won't have to look for a phone charger anymore. I won't show how to connect the power and video cables, it's just too easy. If it's not, then just look at the manual. The monitor is connected and has found its new place. That cable management clip is a cool thing, although you can buy a bazillion types of those on Aliexpress for all your needs. I have been using this monitor for more than 2 months now, and I have some good impressions that I can share with you. First of all, I should mention that we in Techscrew team are not hardcore gamers. We play rarely and not the most powerful games that exist right now. Let's start with the things I liked. It's cool that this monitor can be adjusted both up and down. Also, it can swivel significantly on either side. And here you can see the IPS panel remarkable viewing angle. It can also be tilted both forwards and backwards. The only thing missing was the ability to rotate it vertically, but to be honest, who needs that? The display colors are pleasing to the eye and can be adjusted to suit all preferences. Also, color gamut is NTSC 91%, sRGB 105%, and Adobe RGB 89%. The menu also offers a wide range of professional customization options. There are so many menu items that you can't learn them all without reading the manual. It's still difficult to get used to the Philips joystick, which is present on most of their monitors. It doesn't always work when pressed. And also you have to get used to which way is OK, back, next and more. Of course you won't have to use it very much on a daily basis, but when you do want to use it, it requires some thought as to how to do it properly. I didn't find how to change the volume of the built-in speakers without going into the big menu, nor did I find it in the manual. It looks like you can only change the volume for the menu, which is not very convenient. But on the other hand, there are multiple equalizer presets and custom equalizers to adjust the sound to your taste. This was our first experience with Ambiglow LED backlight. Although the description says that Ambiglow adds a new dimension to our viewing experience, the innovative Ambiglow technology enhances the content on the screen by creating a halo of light from the monitor, but it didn't really prove itself in various videos and games, where I like the aura mode, when this light can be used as gaming room effect light, slowly going through all the colors. It looks good, but you have to take into account though that the color of the wall affects the representation of the color tone. Ambiglow itself can also be adjusted, both the brightness and the edges in glow zone. Ambiglow has 3 modes: follow video, auto and static, a color of your choice, and of course off. Wait, that's actually 4. So here are conclusions or summaries. First of all, this monitor is not the cheapest. It's priced around $400. Of course, the build quality is very good. The stand is also a sign that it's not a budget display. This is definitely not a serious gaming monitor, but for gamers like us who play old classics or some slower games, it's perfect. In our opinion, this 27-inch Philips Momentum display is more for the home or office desk as part of the workstation on which you can watch a good Star Wars movie, because the colors are very pleasing. It's also great for working on emails and documents, as the adjustable joystick allows you to adjust it comfortably for many hours of work. This monitor can also be used for video editing and design work. I was surprised that this time the speakers were actually better quality, and the built-in speakers on the laptop can finally go to rest. Things we didn't like definitely include the fact that the volume adjustment has to be done through the big menu. We did adjust the volume in the Windows panel, but it was a bit annoying that it's not a quick menu in the monitor itself. Definitely have to mention that Ambiglow in games and movies did not give the expected result. Maybe Ambilight is different? Or is it the same thing? Can someone explain this to us in the comment section? Apart from these few oddities, overall we like the monitor. It's exactly what we were looking for. A mix of everything. Can play games on 27-inch, answer emails, and edit a new audio test video. A workhorse to plug into the laptop in the office and start a productive day. As always, you are welcome to share your experiences in the comments section below. It would also be nice if you wrote what monitor you use, what do you like about it and what not. Thank you for sticking with us to the end. Wish you a good health, and we'll see you in another video. Ciao.